Hi friends, let me teach you how to read some words using the following blends. First, let me teach you the phonetic sound of these blends. K, sh. TH makes two sounds, voiced and voiceless. When the voice is created in your vocal cords, it's called as voiced sound. And when the vocal cord doesn't make any movement, but the sound is created because of the positioning of your tongue between your teeth, then it is called as voiceless sound. To say the sound of this blend TH, you must position your tip of the tongue between your upper and lower front teeth and say yes, that's right. And for the voiced sound, the positioning of your tongue and the teeth remains the same, but there is a pressure on your vocal cord. It sounds like this. Right? Let us look at the next blend. Ch. Now we will read some words with these blends. K, pack, neck, back, luck, lock, sh, ship, shop, fish, shut, sheep. TH voiceless. Thorn, think, fifth, healthy, mouth. TH voiced. The, this, they, brother, though. Ch, chop, chat, child, chair, check. Thanks for watching. Please click on this video to learn more about blends. Bye.